Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Gate. It's so super simple. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Binance account. Once you're in, head over to your wallet. From there, select withdraw from either your spot or funding wallet, depending on where your USDT is stored. Now select USDT. And for the withdrawal method, make sure to choose send via crypto network. Next, let's switch over to gate.io. Once you're logged in there, go to the deposit section and then choose on-chain deposit. In the search bar, type in USDT and select it. Now you'll need to pick your deposit network. For this example, let's choose Arbitrum1. Once you select it, you will get your deposit address. Just give it a few seconds to load. Once you have the address, head back to the Binance and paste it in the recipient address field. Remember to choose the same network, Arbitrum1, on Binance to ensure everything matches up. You can now enter the amount of USDT you want to send. For example, let's send 100 USDT. After that, just confirms everything and hit withdraw. Your USDT will be sent to Gate in no time. And that's it, guys. That's how you send USDT from Binance to Gate.io in 2025. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and, of course, subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.